English breakfast, a traditional Britain food.
Black and white keys sing my soul, soft and sweet music makes me whole. Fingers dance on ivory plains, echo through hearts and veins. Piano dreams in the night, melodies blue in moonlight. Notes collide, soft and slow, chasing stars, lights aglow. Whisper tunes rise and fall in the rhythm. We find all piano dreams in the night, melodies blue in moonlight. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I love English breakfast, and thank United Kingdom.